Here we have a simple script. Whenever the user presses the spacebar, the prime numbers from 0 to 50,000 are being printed. If we run it, it looks like this. As you can see, it takes quite a bit of time. So how would we measure this? Using the time.getTicks ms_second. Let's set the start time to before the function is called, and then the end time to after the function is called. Then we can print the elapsed time, which would be the end time minus the start time in milliseconds. Now, after our code is finished running, we see it takes 344 milliseconds to run our code.